Hey, what's going on, wealth builders? Welcome to another episode of Crypto to Watch on Points Blank Finance. And in this video, I want to take a closer look at the Avalanche Token, ticker symbol AVAX, and see if this is a cryptocurrency that should be in your wallet. But what I want to do before we even get into the depths of the video is I want to explain. Avalanche is a smart contract capable blockchain platform that's focused on transaction speed and low cost. Hey, welcome to Points Blank Finance, everyone. My name is Rod, and on this channel, we talk about investing, we talk about stocks, we talk about crypto, and more importantly, we talk about investing on a budget. If there's something you're interested in, do me a favor. Subscribe to the channel, baby. Give the video a thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends. Share it with your co-workers. You never know who could be learning from information like this. And with all that being said, let's get paid, baby. Right, here I am in my COINBASE account, and I'm looking at Avalanche, and I want to just go over a few different past performances and just see what this token has been doing. And as you can see right now, it's currently trading at $70.07 per token. And that's kind of special because these numbers, regardless of how you flip it, 70.07, you can flip it around and it's still going to be the same. I want to hurry up and buy because this could be good luck. But for the day, it is up 8.47%. For the week, it's up 12.15%. Before I go any further, let me remind y'all, I am not a financial advisor. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. For the month, this is what I'm looking at. This token is down 36.28% in the last month. And this is why I know it's a crypto to watch. This is why I want to jump on it right now. But again, we're investing on a budget. So I'm only going to make a small purchase. But I can tell you right now, I may purchase some more Avalanche. AVAX is the ticker symbol. I may purchase some more and not even shoot a video. So keep that in mind. And for the year, it is up 429.57%. I want to look down here and see what is the general public doing. What's going on with this coin? It currently has a market cap of $17.1 billion. Circulating supply is 245 million AVAX tokens. That's how many tokens are out there in circulation. And people typically hold it for 21 days. But I'm looking right here, the public, 71% of the people are buying, 29% of the people are selling. As far as popularity, on Coinbase, it's number 9 when it comes to popularity. And I just want to make sure it's nothing else that I'm missing, and it's not. So what I want to do right now is I'm going to jump over here while it's $70, and it could change. When I go over here, I'm going to refresh my Coinbase Pro. Now I'm in Coinbase Pro, and I'm going to refresh it, and you will always hear me say, don't focus on all of this that's going on right here. I have $75.32 to invest. I have it set to, I don't need to worry about deposit. I have it buy, market, and I'm going to invest $25. Again, we are investing on a budget. My fee, and this is why I like Coinbase Pro, because if I was to use Coinbase, I'm going to be charged $1.49, where here I can be charged 13 cents and then transfer this over to Coinbase for free. And one day I'm going to do a video and show y'all how I actually do that. So right now, and let me go back here and type this in again. I think I may have hit something different. $25. I'm going to go over here, scroll down. I'm going to place the order. Let me get rid of this because it's talking about cookies. I'm going to place the buy order. And it's telling me right now, I purchased 0.357 AVAX tokens, a little over a third. And again, we're invested on a budget, and it was now I still have $50.33 to invest in my Coinbase Pro account. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. It is that simple. I don't like to make these long and drawn out because it's that simple when it comes to purchasing crypto. But I can tell you right now, Avalanche is a token that I'm going to be watching. It's a token that I'm going to be investing in. But I need y'all to do me a favor. Is this a token you currently have in your crypto portfolio? Have you never heard of Avalanche and now you're going to be watching it? Are you planning on adding this to your crypto wallets, to your crypto portfolio? Please do me a favor. Tell me about it. Post it down in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it. Again, if you haven't done so, subscribe to the channel. Get a video a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, share it with people that can learn from information like this. And with all that being said, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I will be coming at you soon, dropping even more knowledge, dropping even more boulders. And until the next time, peace, baby.